Helo. Croeso. Dal i uniad. Dwi'n gofio neud beth. Dwi'n gofio neud beth. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Croeso I episode 2. Kept you waiting, didn't I? Be bynnag ydi o. Bach o house clearing ar hyn o bryd. Dwi wedi bod yn potsian efo y camera. Dwi yn edrych yn llai coch heddiw, gobeithio. So, os neb yn gwachio fi wan, obviously, os neb byth yn gwachio fi fyw. Ond, os allith rhywun gyrru DM i fi, neu bydd i gora, a i hyn di gora, ta hynna. Fel oedd o am streams a streams a streams, a fel am yna wan. Dwi'n meddwl bod o well. Dwi'n meddwl bod o well. Ewys, pam ti siarad am filters ar DSLR ar camera chdi? Cos dwi'n trio stolio am amser i fi gallu bwtio fyny'r ail PC fyny fyma. Ni siŵr dwi ddim yn lagio. Should be fine one. Dalwch efo fi os gwelwch yn dda. Dwi yma, jyst yn dweud beth fi. Iawn. Pan dwi'n unstable? Anyway, mae'n dechrau iawn. Ia. Mae fanna. Mae fanna. Good to go. Iawn, lle oedd ni to cynt? Da ni'n basically yn cychwyn y game wan. Basically. So, da ni the Virtuous Mission. Done. Dusted. Da ni wedi gwachio shitloads o clips. Cutscenes. Chwarae gêm on. Cychwyn y gêm. Da ni wedi glanio ar jet drone thing ni. Di casio. Chwarae gêm. Away we go. Be sgynna ni? Gun. A suppressor. Stun. Knife. Okay. Dwi ddim yn gwybod sut dwi'n mynd i chwarae gêm yma. Ydw i am trafod yn rili da? Ocê, nes ti efo hwn ymwan. It's gonna be backpack fi. Colour. Ocê. Sydd iawn. Yes! Squirrel. Stealth. Doing stealth. Red snake. A cutscene arall. So, nath i glanio yn hwnna. Not a horse fan. Not a horse fan.
Looks like death wasn't ready for you yet.
Boss.
Dwi yn casau the boss. Dwi'n casau hi gymaint.
What are you doing here?
Syth a hit. Syth. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Game over. Game over. It's done.
Go home.
Swn i syth hynna so gyd osod o'n.
Go home. Gru and my sons are waiting up ahead. You don't have a prayer of finishing your mission. You're not even armed.
Boss.
I'm not your boss anymore. There's nothing for you here. Go home. Go back to your boss. There's no need to prove that you are virtuous here.
Shut up. Shut up.
This isn't America.
Fel am y bullets yn gweithio. Dwi efo degree in quantum science and quantum physics. Fel am y bullets yn gweithio. Gallai confirm hynna.
That should stir things up a bit. You'd better hurry.
Os drwy'n yn watcha fi. Hei, whisky keen, dych chi'n iawn o'na?
60 miles south of here. You ought to be able to run that far. didn't. I'm loyal to the end, to my purpose. What about you, Jack? What's it going to be? Loyalty to your country or loyalty to me? Your country
Os ymwneud llawer o chance i fi na da.
the mission or your beliefs? Your
Llawer o
duty
chance
to
i fod yn
your
loyal na da,
or
you
your
stupid
personal
woman.
feelings?
Sick punch o
You
ddo.
don't know the truth yet,
Sick punch o.
but sooner or later you'll have to choose. I don't expect you to forgive me.
Ti'n hel fi adra a dys i hel fi yna wedyn?
But you can't defeat me either. You know me too well. Just look at that bandana. If you can't put the past behind you, you won't survive long.
So dyn ni'n gwybod y bandana hi ddo. Ooh.
If we meet again, I'll kill you.
What?
Now, go home.
I'm just low level, I'll level up. Yeah, reit yn ganol fan'na. Good stealth.
This is Snake. Major Zero.
I read you, Snake.
I was ambushed by the boss.
You were what?
The drone's been shot to hell. It's up in flames.
That's not good. Enemy scouts are going to come looking for you.
Yeah, I know. But what was the boss doing here in the first place? There's got to be a leak somewhere.
No, that's impossible. The man the boss is working with, Volgin, isn't exactly on speaking terms with Khrushchev.
I lost my gun. The boss destroyed it.
No.
Snake, I know how you're feeling. It's hard for me to believe, too, that a legendary hero like the boss would go over to the Russians. That she'd double-cross us like this. But that's how it is, and if you don't accept it, you'll never be able to beat her.
Fair enough.
That's not the problem. In terms of sheer technique, I'll never be able to beat her. I know that all too well.
Sydd hi efo
You've
gun
got
ta
to
ia?
do it, Snake. She's your enemy and your objective.
Enemy? We were together for 10 years, and now you tell me she's my enemy?
Yes.
Enough. Hurry to the factory where Adam is waiting. Scouts have probably already been sent out to investigate the explosion. You've lost your weapon, right? That means you've got no chance of winning in a battle situation. Whatever you do, don't let them see you.
Co iawn, sa'n nôl ffordd ma. Y stwff. Dim ffordd ma ti fod yn, ffordd all ti fod yn, cofio iawn. Ffordd ma ti'n mynd i cychwyn y Virtuous Mission. So, os dwi'n cofio'n iawn. Na stwff yma? Ydw i'n iawn i ddeud hynna? Och, gafr de, ia. Dwi ei Sean ddim yn fod i lladd hwnna. Much. Wel, just hwnna dwi'n cael lli de. I'll take that. Take that. Chafnid. Mushrooms yn ddrwg. Yndi? Mushrooms yn ddrwg. Yna beth arall yma, dwi'n cofio. Backseating, dwi'n oce efo. Cos dwi wedi chwarae hwn hyn. A ni jyst iwsio hwnna esgus. Sydd lle llaw hwnna? Done. Mae'n sbel bod y wirion rwan. Ti'n mynd i sbio ar y crocodiles and alligators yma, be bynnag ydyn nhw. A mynd, I can take these on. Ti'n methu. Bwysig iawn i chdi dderbyn hynna. O, na, pa di... Sut dwi'n not hwnna ta? Dwi'n dod o nôl hwnna. Hel bwyd wan. Cos mae gen i fi teimlad y fyddai angen o. Basically. Di'r maps... Hei, diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch yn fawr yn chwarae. Diolch am y... Diolch am yr... Be oedd hwnna? Mi'n y fan y fyd dwi'n fy gwndo. Diolch am y Dragon Ball Z channel points. Still.
What's that?
Iawn, ydw i'n killer ta ddim? Be'n trio ddim. That's the to it. Dwi'n mwyn gwybod sy'n neud y thing yn slow so dwi ddim yn gweld fi. Tref y boi yma. Scary. Okay. Take it.
Answer me.
At night, poisonous animals will.
Answer me.
In the south, the bottomless swamp.
Speak.
If our radio man is taken out, contact will be.
Speak.
Let me go!
Do it. Okay. Bydd diddorol i weld yn faint fyddai'n ddim yn lladd stwff. Oh, caution! What do you caution? Still. Yes! Oh no, ddim eisiau hynna! Oh, stamina fi sel. Ooh, uniform raindrop. Okay. Life recovery. Sorry, a bit of wood. Eat.
Not so great.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Easy. A ydy'r gameplay yn rhy dywyll ar y stream? It's quiet. Too quiet. Dwi'm yn planio 100%io dau thing ar y gwylod de, by the way. Iawn, mae hwnna'n di wedyn. I lladd pobl drwg. FYI, yn y playthrough yma, ond pobl drwg. Everything's a meal. Mae o'n nos hefyd, mae gan yr unig peth na i ddeud. So... Options... Graphics. Yna well gweithio. Bug juice. Dwi'n gwybod y fewn i fanna dwi eisiau gwneud i kickstartio'r y mission. Ond dwi ffansi cael stwff gynta. Beth dwi eisiau fe yma? Na, guys. O, hwnna. There you go. Yeah. Cardboard box. Backpack. Dwi'n ddim yr un survival knife sgynna fi. Dwi'n meddwl lle gwaed o motion detector. Shit. Okay. Oh. No. Ti roed i chwarae'r greiddiol, Morgan, sydd down y chat.
Sorry I'm late.
Cut the engine. They'll hear us.
Are you the agent they sent?
Are you Adam? I thought you were supposed to be a man.
Adam couldn't make it.
All right, say the password. Who are the Patriots?
Di mo gubba the password.
Who are the Patriots?
Lalo.
Answer me. We're trapped.
Get down!
Vill säga att det är en email.
There is your answer.
Yeah, that's the last answer to my question. What? You're a hot chick? What? Ja, hynna ti'n neud y flaen dyn fel that.
The name's Eva.
Okay. John pusher RB. Cause i ddangos i'r chat.
This wasn't part of the plan. What happened to
Cigar.
Adam?
What's your code name?
It's Snake.
Snake, huh? Well, I'm Eva. Are you here to tempt me?
No.
What happened to Adam?
Colonel Volgan is a very suspicious man. He decided Adam wasn't the right person for this mission.
And you were.
Yes,
Why?
because I can do things he can't.
What?
I heard you used to be a code breaker for the NSA.
I was. 4 years ago, I defected to the Soviet Union with Adam.
Mauser military. The broom handle.
It packs quite a punch. Nice to have when you're on a bike.
You held it sideways.
Well,
and
and
used
seen
muscle
really here
tone
with-
to create a horizontal sweep. That was impressive.
Bet you've never seen that technique in the West.
It's imitation, isn't it?
Chinese.
It's a Chinese Type 17 pistol.
Yn bwysig iawn i'r plot.
Even that's hard to come by. Don't worry, though. The one I've got for you is American made.
.45, huh?
What's this gun, huh?
Incredible.
Okay.
Do you like it?
The feeding ramp is polished to a mirror sheen. The slide's been reinforced, and the interlock with the frame is tightened for added precision. The sight system is original too. The thumb safety is extended to make it easier on the finger. A long type trigger with non-slip grooves. A ring hammer. The base of the trigger guard's been filed down for a higher grip. And not only that, nearly every part of this gun has been expertly crafted and customized.
No bullets, though.
Where'd you get something like this?
I grabbed it from a Western munitions armory. It probably used to belong to one of your officers. And there are more where that came
Stealing.
from. You had this with you, didn't you? Better take this too.
What's that?
Lab.
A disguise to make you look like a scientist.
A disguise?
Yes. You're here to rescue Sokolov, right?
Sokolov's still safe then.
Yes. He's being forced to continue his work on the Shagohod.
Where?
At the lab. They've got a whole army of scientists there developing new weapons. Security is tight, but if you disguise yourself as a scientist, you might be able to sneak in.
Cool. Plan. That's the
Can we
plan.
get Sokolov out of there?
We'll see, won't we?
Tell me how to get to the lab.
The safest way in is from the rear. First, you'll need to head north through the jungle. You'll come to a heliport used for shipping materials. Pass the heliport and continue north, and there will be a large crevice. Descend into that area, and you'll reach a cave. Move through the cave, and you will arrive at a mangrove swamp. After the swamp, there'll be a warehouse. Make your way through the warehouse, and you'll come out just south of the lab.
Got it.
And just what are you doing there?
None of your business,
In
thank you.
close-range combat, a knife can sometimes be more useful than a gun. By doing this, I'll be able to hold a knife at the same time and still keep the gun steady. That way, I can instantly switch between a gun battle and a knife fight.
That way.
Right, let's get going.
Wait a minute.
What now?
You must be tired. Why don't you take a little rest?
I'll be fine.
You'll never make it in your condition. It's a jungle out there. There's still an hour before dawn. It's dangerous to be out in the jungle at night without a guide.
What about you?
I have to get back. I can't be gone for too long. They'll start to suspect something. Don't worry. I'll keep you updated over the radio.
That's it?
My orders are to provide you with information, nothing more. You look disappointed. All right then. I'll do something special for you. I'll stand watch until dawn. Now be a good boy and lie down. What's the matter?
I don't know you well enough to trust you.
Fair enough.
How well do you have to know me to trust me?
I don't know if I can trust anybody.
Gonna get that?
Dwi'n eventually chwarae'r gêm yn chydig. Ydych y poeni.
She's right, Snake. You should get some sleep. Although in your condition, you really ought to be back in the ICU. Whenever you save the game and quit, you'll go to sleep. Sleeping allows you to gain back stamina naturally. Depending on how long you sleep, you may also recover naturally from sickness and injury. When you're tired or hurt, the best thing to do is just get some sleep. So do yourself a favor and take a nap. Doctor's orders, okay?
Yeah.
Yn y
Okay.
PS2 version, ych gallu chwarae efo cloc. Neu hynna. What are you playing at? The plot thickens. Dwi'm yn sbio, ond dwi'm yn sbio. Dwi'm yn sbio, ond I chi mae hwn. Oh, okay.
What's the matter?
We're surrounded. I see 4 of them.
Gameplay, let's
We've
go.
got company. It's the Ocelot unit.
Come on.
Let's get out of here. Hurry. Don't forget your gear. Give me a hand. We can use this to get to the basement. Damn it, Ocelot. I'll get past them on my bike. I'll call you later.
Okay, I'll keep them busy.
What?
Don't go dying on me now.
Time to kill me some commies. Katarina. What's Katarina? Hmm. Do you mean them full on killing? I bet dwi am lladd pob heblaw amdan bosses. Oh shit. Marwa? Stealth. This is stealth. Yay. Oh, come on. Like a turkey shoots. Stack ma braidd ynddo. So, what lle sydd fi?
I see him!
O, dwi'n dod Tom. Easy. Easy. Dwi'n meddwl, sy'n lladd bosses efo stamina, dim health, ti'n cael outfits. So na i sticio i hynna. Pob arall, fair game. Un yma. Mine detector. Dwi'n dychmygu fydd hwnna'n bwysig i fi. Beth o fama? O, thermal goggles, oce. Os ydyn nhw'n gael, ie. Dyn. Easy.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Oh my god, Eve. Awful.
That's it. That's the stance. I don't think so. What? A female spy?
What? A female spy?
This bitch is wearing perfume. Stay where you are. I've had enough of your judo.
I see you've got yourself a single-action army.
That's right. There'll be no accidents this time.
You call that an accident? Well, it wouldn't have happened if you hadn't been showing off.
What did you say?
It's a nice gun, I'll give you that. But the engraving gives you no tactical advantage whatsoever.
Ooh.
Unless you're
Burn.
willing to auction it off as a collector's item. And you're forgetting one more very basic thing. You don't have what it takes to kill me.
We'll see.
What? Oh my god. Whoa. Ah, du kommer hon! Hon är stupid. Come on. Yes. Fel am sy'n mynd y beics yn gweithio. Science.
That thing only carries 6 shots. The Makarov carries 8. You have to get a feel for how many you have left. This is a high-class weapon. It's not meant for shooting people.
Damn! This isn't over yet.
Don't.
Why?
He's still young.
Fuck you! Fuck you, I'm going.
What's stopping me? Damn it! I've got to get back before he does.
Pam math hynna? Science. Science. That is science. Ooh, the suppressor's gonna be. That ain't good. Onwards. Swimming. Woo. Didn't do anything. Bitch! Okay. What? Oh, bleach. Ah, fuck this up. No! Nah.
Snake, answer me!
Glad bob in a blinking alligator. Dwi ddim yn cofio beth yma. O, sorry. Map. What's funny fi?
Snake, are you there?
Eva,
Did you miss me?
did you make it without any trouble?
No one saw me.
So you're back with Vulcan,
In a matter of speaking.
Dwi'n
boss.
Yeah, she's here too.
Better be careful.
Thanks, I will.
Thanks,
Boss
I
and
will.
get along pretty well, though. I guess we traders have a lot in common.
Why
Meridian,
would anyone
Indiana.
defect? Betraying your country like that, I just don't get it.
Are you talking about the boss?
Why do you do it? Weren't you born and raised in America?
Born and raised
In
American.
a small rural town. I never even knew there were other countries, other cultures, other ways of thinking. Until I went to work for the NSA. And one day, I'd found I'd lost faith in the things I'd been taking for granted.
What did you see? What was it that made you want to change sides?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
I saw the universe.
Be?
The universe?
Not the actual universe. The universe as the intelligence community sees it. I realized that the gravity in this universe was holding me back. That's all.
Be
People
fucked,
and
she's rocker.
countries are both changed by their environment and by the times.
That sounds like what the boss was saying.
There's a world of difference between this country and America. But it's only a difference of position, a difference of perspective. Coming here made me realize something. Half of what I'd been told was a complete and utter lie. The other half was a conveniently constructed lie.
Where's the truth then?
It's hidden in the lies.
Are you lying too?
Who knows? I've been trained to make even the most severe falsehood sound like the honest truth. Weren't you?
No. I believe because I have to, even if it is a lie. That's part of my mission.
I'll have to remember that. If you need me, give me a call on the radio. My frequency is 142.52.
Okay.
See ya.
Goodbye. Okay. That's where is progress there. Bitch. Hwnna. Hwnna dwi isio. Un bit o bwyd. O, mynd i ail neud hyn. Ei, fel at chdi'n atacio... Bita... O, dwi'n meddwl swn i'n...
That's tasty.
That's tasty, King Cobra. Hat. Hwnna di'r head, hwnna di'r pen. Ah, leashes. Dwi'n gwybod beth yw'n... Woo! Gago, o ia. Na, ci, isio... Sut dwi'n fynd i fyna ta? O hwnna. O, paid i'n gwneud holl o'r rownd i hwn. Oce, dwi'n gwybod o. Ond fan yma, do. Geryd, geryd, geryd. So, dwi'n fyny hwn. Draws hwnna. Oce. That's doable.
Disgusting.
Okay.
This tastes great.
Okay. Dwi'n dropio lawr o fama. Dwi'n dropio lawr o fama. Oh, no, 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 no! Oce, so dwi'n cymeryd... Yn dropio dal o.
What can I say?
Okay. Drop. Mae fe yma a dal o, ie. Nes i bwsio bwtwm. Yn fan'na. Sut dwi fod i wneud hyn? Be di'r thing dwi'n neud y wrong o fama? Okay. Dwi'n mynd i Google fo. Lle dwi? MGS Delta Crocodile Cap. Be dwi'n neud y rhan o yma? Dangos fes di gael o, ie? Okay, fyny hwnna. Draws. Ti liter ddim yn dweud fi sydd yn hynna. Okay, I've got this. Okay. Yes! Fucking pro. Pro! Best gamer in total. And siwr dwi ddim yn effio hwn fyny. There you go. What? No way. Yes! Game over. Iawn, os ydych yn y chat, ydw i bod yn dick a lladd end yn y bit lle dwi ddim yn lladd i end, ta dwi'n neud y boss fight yn iawn. Rai fi neud y boss fight yn iawn fydd. So fi'n cacho fe all twn. Bullshit. Bullshit. Oh, na cŵn, fe moes. Ie? Dwi'n cofio iawn sy'n gorfod os teim yn iawn, di? Di. We got free stuff. Of course, oh, no beth ffordd ma. Oh, na thing ffordd ma lle. Bloody hell. My bad. A dwi'n newid ail gychwyn y blinkin... Sorry i rhywun sy'n licio cŵn, ond...
Who was that?
Dwi'n meddwl dydych chi'n... Oh, shit. Ti'n panicio. shit, shit. Oh my god, no, quicksand, no, only quick mud, neu be bynnag. Super sneaky. Oh yes, mae'n fynd hwnna. No. Bwyd. It's about King Cobra.
Ah, pretty tasty.
I'll take that. Dwi'n cofio beth y thing yma, well fydd o werth o de. No way. What? Ti'n siŵr am hwnna? Huh? Okay. Oh, it's got... Uniform splinter. Okay. Easy. Okay. Sorry, mate. Ah, stop erin Mark 22, so dwi'n gwybod beth ydych chi'n tydeitha fi. It won't work. Iawn, lot o stwff i neud efo hwn. Os eich llwytho. Iawn. Oh my god. Dwi'n dall dwi'n neud yr holl thing yn noddach wedyn. Shit. Dwi'n chwythu hwn i fyny. Cos oedd yn mission arall yn haws wedyn. Dwi'n chwythu beth arall i fyny fynco. A chwythu hwnna fyny. Magazine bitter. Ond dwi'n meddwl, sut ti'n hold up? Dwi'n meddwl, os chyn hynna yn hold up. Ie, fe eisiau chwythu fama fyny hefyd. Oh, crap.
This is HQ. Patrol here. We're under enemy fire. Enemy's position is unknown. Going into alert formation. Acknowledged. Sending reinforcements. Use extra caution.
Nah! Stealth. Let's do that. Okay, probably my loads first about kind of gameplay. Čo hálma? The building on there. Dwi'n rei siwr ti'n fod i iwsio
This tastes great.
yr AK-47 cymaint dwi'n neud e.
He's here somewhere. Find him. Huh? Who's that?
Cath, os dwi'n... Fuck. O, ysbryd fi TNT? Okay. Siwr os di hyn, de? Mae'n chwythu'r lle i fyny. A wedyn ti'n eisiau hwn wedyn. A wedyn... Hwn, ie? So, yn y lefel 1 lle dwi ar fyny o top y mynu yna, fydd y helicopter yna ddim yna wedyn. Dwi'n eisiau fo hwn wedyn yn neud. A ddim. Non-provisions. About. Daar gaan we done. Oeh, honden. Wow. Okay, very efficient use time. Save. Weet je een shadow bubble?
Saving the game, Snake?
Yes, please.
Hey, Snake, you ever heard of Godzilla, King of Monsters?
No, what is it?
What?
It's a movie. You haven't seen it?
Nope.
It's about this monster called Godzilla, who grows to an enormous size.
Oh, yeah, I'm a paramedic and love your films and
in Tokyo.
Nuclear test, huh? Then the Marshall Islands must be crawling with giant monsters right about now.
It's just make-believe.
Maybe that's why my pants have been so tight lately.
Whoa.
Snake, it's a movie, not a report out of Los Alamos.
I know. So then what happened?
Godzilla is immune to all weapons, and humanity has no way to stop the monster. Dr. Shirazawa develops a new type of weapon, but meanwhile Godzilla is getting closer and closer to Tokyo, obliterating everything in his path. It was originally a Japanese movie, but they made an American version too. I recommend seeing the original Japanese one if you ever get the chance. It's mostly mindless fun, but it's also got a serious anti-nuke message as well.
Where can I see the original?
You'll just have to go to Japan.
Really? That's too bad.
If you wait 40 years, you might be able to see it in America too. It might even win awards all across the globe in 60 years.
What?
Why is that?
2024 will be Godzilla's 70th birthday.
You think they're still going to be making Godzilla movies then?
Of course. Everybody loves Godzilla.
You sure know a lot about movies.
I don't suppose you're the movie-watching type, are you?
Not really.
Okay, then I'll tell you everything I know. When the going gets tough, movies can save your life. It's always good to be able to look at things from a different perspective when you get in a jam. That's the magic of movies.
No kidding. Well, I guess it might at least make a nice distraction.
That's the spirit, Snake. Have a little fun.
Okay. Don't they find your SIGINT?
Yo! You're Snake, aren't you?
And you're SIGINT?
None other.
I heard that you're an expert on weapons, equipment, and cutting-edge technology.
Nashville, Tennessee.
Huh?
I am the expert on weapons, equipment, and cutting-edge technology.
Ah.
I'm the guy that designed your trank gun, active sonar, and motion detector. If you want to know anything about weapons or equipment you find in the field, just send me a message and ask.
Okay.
Later.
I'm just funny paramedic.
I see you caught yourself a green tree python. The green tree python isn't venomous, so no need to worry. It's fairly docile too, so I don't think it's likely to attack you. The green tree python originally comes from Australia and New Zealand. It's a really pretty green color, and it lives... Oh my god.
What's wrong?
Snake, what did I just say?
They come from Australia and New Zealand.
No, after that.
They're a really pretty green color.
I thought so. What was I thinking? Seeing a snake and calling it pretty?
What's wrong with that?
Everything. When a normal woman sees a snake, she's supposed to scream or get sick or something like that.
What?
And you think you're normal?
What was that?
Nothing.
Oh, it's all your fault.
Jeez, I'm sorry. But enough of that.
What do you mean enough of that? This is serious.
No, I just wanted you to tell me how it tastes.
How should I know? It was awfully pretty, though.
Can I not?
Can't complain.
Can't complain. Twee regisseur doen die via Ruinen. Ocelot. Ja, maar outfits ik al feit som en handy, so.
Ah, you're here at last. Looks like the boss's info was right. Twice now you've made me taste bitter defeat.
3 times a lady. Oh my god. Absolute cinema.
I hate to disappoint the Cobras, but you're mine.
Wow, 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 wow.
All of you, leave us.
Pam sy'n chdi ta? Pam sy'n cael nhw dod yna I ddangos yna? I they leave us.
It's just you and me. No one to get in our way. Ocelots are proud creatures. They prefer to hunt alone.
Ti'n literally yn arwain squad. A sut ti'n cael gynna mor fast? O chdi efo'r gun posh gynna? Some diwrnod cyfad I bod? Ie, I bod.
12 shots.
yn reminiscent o Metrosod 1 first battle, ti'n cwffio Ocelot efo 6 shots.
This time I've got 12 shots.
12 shots I Gymro! Na, dwi di wastad I dweud. Draw!
Okay. Draw!
I'll take you.
It's so different from simply changing a clip.
Got a struggle one back in the day.
This reload time is exhilarating.
It's fucking boring. Met, wat zit de kamer om met? Oh my god! Oh well. Ydw i'n cael nid... Ydw i'n gael yn shitty? Oh no, pan di wastio suppressor fi? What? Dwi'n cael llaw o? Hawdd. Hawdd, met. Mae'n lot anoddach yn y hen gem. Iawn, efi cofio pigo fyny'r siwt, swan.
Damn it. He found us.
Ac yn fatha fod yn steddfod, met. A sasio fel, o'n nhw'n ffacin bo man. Mae'n roed nhw'n bla. Yn y steddfod, eisiau cael un reit y fanna. Reit y fanna. Ond dwi'n tuff, ddos, dwi'n. Ooh, ges i'r
We'll meet
bait.
again.
Ges di pigiad ar dy foch. Egar. Yr unig logical thing i wneud. Yr unig logical thing i wneud yn y situation na. Oedd just Davey on his fucking twll. Oh, hwn dwi'n siarad. Ie. Be dwi'n gwybod shit am... Be dwi'n cofio... Oh my god! Dwi'n gwybod. Beth yw hwnna? Be life medicine? Thermal. Okay, hwnna. Okay, mae yna shotgun yn rhywle yma. Torch. Na fel yna, de. Dwi'n eisiau chdi, dwi'n eisiau cigar. Paid i ddweud. Chdi, dwi'n eisiau chdi. Eisiau chdi? What? Mae fel ddim yn dywyll gyna? As in, unbearably dywyll.
Tasty.
Dwi'n paranoid o colli stwff. My god. Ti'n mynd i fewn, dwi'n mynd i fewn yna. Ond o. O, yndi. Battery. More. No.
Not too bad.
Be siarad o fanna? Pam o'n nhw ola i gyd rwan? 100% ddim... Neud yn byd. Hwn yn... Yw rhyw fath o glitch? Make a sound.
Hey, this works.
Don't make a sound. Serum. Okay. If I want you... Dim hwnna dwisio. Y shotgun o fel yma. Beth yw eisiau hwn, cos... So dwi'n mynd y bit yna dwi'n sio. Ydy cos dwi'n gwisgo mushroom na, ie. Ie, ffordd yma. Okay. O, fama. Fama. Okay. O, hwnna di. What? What? Night vision. Okay. Dwi'm isio night vision though, cos... Fine. Gallu ddim fama... Dwi'n rei siŵr fama mae shotgun ddo. Ydy'r problem... Pryd i chwarae gêm o blaen. Ond really bell yn ôl ddo. Okay. Riveting gameplay. Dwi'n siŵr cos wedi cymryd un o heina. Dwi'n golio. Dwi'n MK22 bullets though. Ar gyfer y boi efo fucking beads wedyn. Oh shit yeah, uniform. Hwna. Ooh, sorry. Bug juice. Byddai angen bug juice. Byddai 100% angen bug juice. Okay. Sut mae hwn yn gola fel hyn, rwan? Rhywbeth gorfod yn wrong, oes? Di hwn yn fod bod... O, fa ma'n ffeit. Mae shotgun ta? Dwi'n mynd i'n o bats feid oedd e. O, fa ma. Na fo. Ni'n gwybod yma rhywle. No!
This tastes great.
Type. Dwi'n safio... Yndw, dwi'n meddwl fi safio fe yma. Oh, yeah. Okay, no. So, dwi yma. Sut dwi'n rhaid bug spray on? Oh, use, okay. Hwn handy, health. Save.
Do you want to save?
Yes.
Snake, have you seen 007 From Russia with Love?
Nah, I don't like those movies. Real spies are nothing like James
Ah,
Bond's
ha, 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 funny.
Snake, I don't think the Major's going to like you saying that.
And even though it's fiction, I can't help but comparing myself to Bond.
What exactly don't you like about James Bond? I mean, is it the fantastic gadgets, the cars, the guns?
Major,
Snake, wouldn't you like to have a gun shaped like a pen?
what good is a pen gonna do me in the jungle? I'd look like a fool.
Then what about a snake-shaped gun? You could make it look like you're grappling with a giant snake and then get a shot in on the enemy while they're distracted.
Okay, now you're being ridiculous.
We'll make you a snake-shaped gun that folds up and fits into an attaché case.
Will you give it a rest?
Oh, I get it. You're worried about how to handle the ladies, aren't you?
No.
I knew it. To tell you the truth, I don't like the idea of playing hanky-panky with enemy femme fatales either. But that's part of Bond's appeal. You could learn a thing or two from him. I mean, what about this Eva? What are you planning to do with her?
I don't even trust her yet.
No, that's not what I mean. You can't let yourself get involved. This is a game of spy versus spy. She's using you just as much as you're using her.
I realize that.
You've got to grab the initiative, and to do that, you have to get the upper hand in the relationship. That's what a spy is supposed to do.
Get the upper hand? I don't think I'm cut out for that mission.
Maybe if you change your code name to 007.
Major.
007 is the biggest thing to come out of England since the Mayflower. I wouldn't be surprised if they made 20 more of those movies.
Didn't you know? The Major is a huge James Bond fan. Don't get him worked up like this.
Worked up?
Maybe you don't realize this, but now that you've got him started talking about Bond, I'm going to have to listen to him lecture for a whole hour after he gets off the radio.
You have my sympathy.
It's too bad you can't enjoy such a great movie, though.
I guess I'm just one of those people who can't enjoy spy flicks.
Lol. Lol. Okay. Science. Unrhyw beth chi'n cofio wan de, gyd y beth a science yn.
I've caught you at last.
Sai y blinking things
We
yma.
are the sons of the boss. I am the pain.
Pain in my ass, am I right, lads?
I will guide you to a world of anguish beyond your imagination. Let's get started.
Beth nhw... Oh, smoke. Dwi eisiau de. Smoke. Dwi'n gwybod sy'n pwynt saethu fo. Tra mae efo'r crap yna. Dwi angen... Dwi'n cofio hyn lot o noddach. O. Whoa. Oh yeah, second part of the fight on here. Deadpool, am I right? Deadpool. Ryan Reynolds, Wrexham. Lol. Hynna yn topical. Dwi bita beth.
This tastes great.
Yeah. Easy. That's a ploy. Yes! Unbeaten mewn single player game. Be mae Ryan Reynolds yn y don.
The pain. The pain. The pain. The pain.
The pain. Propane. I'm Hank Hill. Propane. Iawn. Cos nes i lladd o efo stamina a dim efo health, rwan. Dwi yn cael... hwnna. So dwi'n nôl hwnna, ddo? O, fynd i fyna. Dwi'n cofio neu hwn yn 2005 pan eto 14-15 a really stryglo. O'n i'n neud efo shotgun fyd. Mae stamina kills yn ti'n cael yr outfit wedyn. Efo, so efo hwnna dwi yn cael... So wrth i lladd Ocelot efo stamina yn lle life, gysi hwn. Pretty cool. O hefyd, mae'n ffordd chdi wneud hyn yn sal hefyd. Ward off horned spiders and leeches. So bydd hwnna'n gallu bod yn dda yn rola. Kenyan.
Hey, this works.
Sy'n fynd i fyna ta? Okay, felly fi wneud bach o calls.
I heard you defeated the Pain.
Yes.
Yeah.
The pain!
Wasn't easy.
Propane!
Still 3 more of them left.
4.
The boss.
Still 4 more Cobras left, including their leader, the boss.
I'm aware of that.
Good.
O, ddech
The
chi ddim.
exit from the cave should be toward the back. Proceed through the cave and find the exit to the swamp aqueduct.
Sounds like the Cobra unit's members' names came from the specific emotions they each carry into battle.
Emotions fi ydi dim fucking mynydd.
For unbearable torment, the
Pain.
For true oblivion, the end. For infinite rage, the fury. For absolute terror, the fear. And for unsurpassed bliss, the joy.
The joy?
It's another name for the boss, because of the joy she feels in battle, I suppose. During the war, she had a partner named the Sorrow. Sorrow and joy. They say there couldn't have been a more perfect pair.
I see you've caught yourself.
Bob arall yna. Ti wedi cael massive battle yma do. Ti efo Taiwan snake.
Carries a potent neurotoxin in its fangs. Be careful. If it bites you, go into the survival viewer immediately and use the cure option to inject yourself with serum.
Sounds interesting.
Don't ask me.
Huh?
The guide doesn't say. If you absolutely have to know, then you'll just have to try it yourself and see.
I didn't say anything.
But you were going to ask, weren't you? About the taste?
Maybe.
I'll talk to you later, Snake.
O, mae'n un da os ti'n gwisgo y box, da. Oce, os ti'n gwisgo box, da. A wedyn dwi'n ffonio Sigan.
The Davy Crockett's that the
No, ti'n siarad yn box fi?
are mortars that fire nuclear warheads. They're named after Davy Crockett, the hero who died defending the Alamo in the Texan War of Independence.
Don't remember the Alamo.
The
Okay.
Alamo.
Remember the Alamo, sorry.
The warheads are equivalent to between 10 and 20 tons of TNT.
What?
Every building within 150 yards of the hypocenter is completely obliterated. But the warheads the boss had with her were some kind of experimental super bomb.
Super bomb.
Actually, even more powerful than that. I don't even want to think about what would happen if she used it again. Snake, you know what you have to do.
Use this before her.
Yeah, I know.
Let's be on box. Hynna, den ska köra dem den.
Snake?
Yes!
What are you doing?
I'm in a box.
A cardboard box? Why are you...
I don't know, I was just looking at it.
Yes!
Suddenly I got this irresistible urge to get inside. No, not just an urge. More than that. It was my destiny to be here. In the box.
Destiny?
Yeah, and then when I put it on, I suddenly got this feeling of inner peace. I can't put it into words. I feel safe. Like this is where I was meant to be. Like I'd found the key to true happiness. Does any of that make sense?
Not even a little.
You should come inside the box. Then you'll know what I mean.
Man, I don't want to know what you mean. Between you and Paramedic, is everyone but me that is hooked up with the Major Strange? Yeah, well, anyway, I suppose even that dumbass box might make a decent disguise if you wear it inside a building.
Funny. Funny. Oh yeah, depends off. Hold on. Back to killing. Whoa, binna, binna. Awan, dwi'n methu mynd nôl. Iawn, nes i chwythu lot o stwff fyny yn y lle cynta do. Rwan mae hyn wedi talu yn ôl. Mae chwythu lle bwyd yn un nhw gymblo. A mae chwythu... bit yma. Ooh. Be dwi'n cofio, de?
Pretty tasty. Tasty.
Tasty. Shoot your foot. Share the paramedic within them here. Just lots of... be dwi 'di ddal? Poison dart frog dwi ddim. Be dwi'n neud o poison dart frog? Yna rhywbeth dwi'n gallu neud efo hein. MGS Delta. Poison dart. Ora. Ah. Okay. Dwi'n bothered am felly. Gyfer the fear. Whoa.
We're being attacked. Enemy position unknown. Going into high alert.
No!
Acknowledged. Keep your eyes open.
Oh, dwi'n gorau lladd y fish.
Hey, this works. Can't eat anymore.
Yeah, mae iawn. O, dwi'n gallu... Ydw i'n gallu neud beth dwi'n meddwl dwi'n gallu neud? Na ddim.
We're being attacked. Enemy position unknown. Going into high alert.
Acknowledged. Keep your eyes open.
Dwi eisiau, cos dwi wedi chwythu fyny y stwff yn y lle cynt na, mae lot llai ohonyn nhw fan'na wan. Mae'n anifeiliaid o gwmpas.
Come in, HQ.
This is HQ.
Patrol here. The enemy is attacking from an unknown position. Begin the alert status.
Acknowledged. Keep your eyes open.
Gallai gael... Ond dwi'n meddwl chdi gallu... Dwi'n newid fe yma. Ond dwi'n meddwl chdi gallu... O, lle ddau le. Chef grenade. I'll take a chef grenade. I'm not above a chef grenade. Oh, no! Ooh, we see. Dwi'n bita na un di, i weld sydd beth ydyn nhw. Food. Dwi'n lladd gymaint o bobl. Yay! TNT. Class. O, iawn, oce. Cofio yma. Fama, o'n i'n meddwl. So fama ti'n gallu goffan, os ti'n gallu lladd i end o fama, ti'n mynd gorau cwffio wedyn. Mae'n hynna boring, yndi. So.
Get your hands off me. I'm not going anywhere.
Ooh.
Really now? How many times must I tell you?
Oh my god.
Tanya.
Each time you resist, your lover will suffer the consequences. Is that clear?
Vulcan. Damn you.
Oh my god.
Hold it right there, traitor.
Let's find out just how lucky you are. Watch closely. One of these
Trigon, man. Oh my
has a
god.
single bullet in it. I'm going to pull the trigger 6 times in a row. Are you ready?
Pam ti'n chdi hynna? Chi eisiau ma'n fyw, chi litri angen o'n fyw. Pam ti'n chdi hynna? Ti'n be? Swn i hefyd.
Looks like your luck hasn't run out yet.
O, ma'n sti.
There's no such thing as luck on the battlefield.
Plus twist. Mab. Ond dyn nhw'n gwybod.
You'd better stay in line from now on. The Cobras will take care of him.
Still no, det är blandat. Hände.
Has the CIA dog been disposed of yet?
The pain is dead.
What?
Oh my god.
He may be a child, but he's definitely one of yours.
Vulcan.
I fear Khrushchev may have a hand in this. We have no time to lose. You must eliminate him before the final test.
Don't worry. They'll be able to handle it.
Mae'n ffynnu ti'n gallu just lladd the end of yma. Mae oedd done.
I'm leaving him to you, the fear.
Science.
The old man is always sleeping. Is he all right?
The end is saving what life he has left in him for battle. Normally, he's dead. But he'll wake up when the time is right.
No moss yno.
And when he does, it will be the end for the boy.
Pam ti'n dyn o ddo? Cos ti'n ei hel the fear allan i lladd fi. So ti'n assume fod y fear yn mynd I fethu. Oh, Kojima.
Worth your love.
But I am.
Entertain me until the rain stops. Kuwabara, Kuwabara.
Kuwabara, Kuwabara.
The sorrow, is that you?
Ie, mae fanna. Ydw i'n lladd the end one. Ti'n bet neu tynnu hwn?
Nobody here. No one here after all. What's wrong?
Yay. Easy. Werth I gael yma. Ammo. Come on. Dwi'n bet well fi ffonio pobl.
Major, Sokolov has been hauled off.
Yes, they probably caught him trying to escape from the lab. Didn't Volgin say that they still needed to perform the final test?
Yes, he did.
Then Sokolov must have been taken back to the lab. Get to the lab and get Sokolov the hell out of there. Pass through that warehouse and you'll come out south of the lab. Make your way inside the warehouse. Watch out for enemy sentries.
Oh, paramedic?
I see you've captured an Indian gavial. The Indian gavial...
Why are Indian crocodiles?
They're captive crocodiles that were brought here for research. Indian gavials are large creatures. You'll never catch one alive.
I tried the meat. It was great.
Well, good for you. But be careful. careful when capturing. Normally they're cowardly creatures. Apparently they attack you.
What do you mean?
They weren't the direct subject of, but some think they may have become violent as a side effect of.
Ja, men hide. Para...
Hey, you've got an M1911A1.
Yes.
Yeah, a 45. 50 years since the Army adopted the first model, and they're still using them. It's a real gem of an automatic pistol.
But aren't you gonna need more than just one little handgun?
Not at all. When you're in a tight spot or fighting in close quarters, sometimes a handgun works better than a rifle. And if I equip a knife at the same time, I can instantaneously switch over to hand-to-hand combat.
I see. That 45 you've got there is a lot different from the original, though. Looks like someone did some serious work on it.
Så jeg tænker på.
More than a little.
Radio skulle næsten.
The feeding ramp is polished to a mirror
Oh my
sheen.
god.
It's not going to have any feeding problems. The slide's been replaced with a reinforced version, and it meshes perfectly with the frame. The frame itself has been iron welded and scraped down multiple times for maximum precision. The front strap part of the frame has been checkered to make it dig into the hand. That prevents any slipping. The sight system's original too. It's a 3-dot type. It's got an enlarged front sight, giving it superior target sighting capability. The regular hammer's been replaced with a ring hammer. That enhances the cocking control and increases the hammer down speed. They also reworked the grip safety to accommodate the ring hammer. Looks like they eliminated it altogether. This is a tool for pros. The thumb safety and the slide stop are extended to allow for more precise handling. The base of the trigger guard
Oh my god.
so you can use a high grip. And the trigger itself is a long type for easy finger access. The trigger pull is about 3.5 pounds. That's about 1.5 pounds lighter than normal. The magazine well has been widened to make it easier to put in a new magazine. The magazine catch button has been cut down low to make it harder to hit it by mistake. The mainspring housing has been changed to a flat type to increase grip, and it's even been fitted with stepping so it doesn't slip from the recoil when firing. On top of that,
oh my god.
they added cocking serrations to the front part of the slide. That lets you load and eject cartridges faster in an emergency. Whoever did this is a professional. No question, this thing could shoot a one-hole at 25 yards in a machine rest.
Well, I'll be damned. That's some gun.
Yeah, I've never used a weapon this fine in my life.
Ja. Känns att jag love your gun there. Okay, let's eat some food.
Sick.
Ah, this skin. Yeah. Ah, I'm a fool. What?
HQ, please respond.
This is HQ.
Patrol here. Enemy sighted. Requesting backup.
Acknowledged. Sending reinforcements.
Nah. Oh my god. Stealth. Bleeding. Oh shit. What? Oh shit. Wel hyn, da chi'n chwarae y gem ma, by the way.
HQ, please respond.
This is HQ.
Patrol here. Enemy sighted. Commencing attack.
Acknowledged. Any boundaries?
Easy. Easy. Lle ffuck ma? Dwi'n clywed o. Ah, foodful.
Hey, this works. I'm full.
Na di chwythu fyny. Be arall dwi'n siŵr fan agos? Oh, crap, oce. Iawn, dwi'n di orffan i fama heno. Dwi'n di fewn. Na, ta be? Na, dy ffyr. Gwffio dy ffyr.
You want to save?
Yeah.
Snake, do you know the creature from the Black Lagoon?
Nope, never heard of it.
Ti'n gwybod dwi ddim?
These scientists are investigating a place deep in the Amazon called the Black Lagoon, and they get picked off one after the other by this fishman thing. And there was this scene when the heroine is going for a swim, and the creature sneaks up on her from underwater. Oh, I thought my heart was going to stop. I mean, of course, the 3D effects in It Came From Outer Space were a lot more intense, but...
It wouldn't be referring to you coming from outer space, would it?
Whoa.
How rude!
Yn rude.
Why do you say that?
Because no one on Earth could be as charming as you.
Whoa.
Fine. I'll just get to the point, Snake. Be careful of what's around you when you're in the water. Just imagining you swimming in those jungle rivers makes me think of you being attacked by a fishman.
I appreciate the concern.
Fishmen aren't the only things that'll attack you in the water. Really be careful out there.
Okay.
And don't be attacking any pretty girls going for a swim, either.
What?
Are you calling me a fishman?
You started it.
Flirtio. Sfa un yn flirtio. Dwi ddechmygu fel yma flirtio yn gweithio. Oce, so dwi isio... Stun. Dim chap. Dim... Na... Trio da yna. O, fama ni ansafio de. No! Okay, dodge, dim much. Dim much.
You want to save?
Yes,
Hold on a
please.
sec.
Paid siarad am ffilm.
Snake, have you heard of It Came From Outer Space?
Yeah, you told me
O,
already.
efo.
So this astronomer sees a meteor, but it's really an alien spaceship, right? And the aliens start replacing the townspeople with clones and forcing them to help repair the ship. The 3D effects were quite realistic.
I've got all the real I can handle here in the jungle.
No, you don't get it. Precisely because it's realistic, with the images jumping out of the screen at you, it makes for a nice escape from reality. I have to admit it made my eyes tired, but it was really intense. Unfortunately, they don't make very many of those movies anymore.
When did it come out?
I was still in college, so probably about 10 years ago?
Guess I'm out of luck then.
You know, they're coming out with household versions of video cassette recorders.
What?
One day you'll be able to see old movies anytime you want. It'll be like having a movie theater in your own home.
Really?
It's like if you had a record with movie film etched onto it instead of music. It'll work the same way.
You're kidding.
No, really. And someday they might make movies where you control the characters yourself.
Just like video games.
It'll happen. Make sure you stay alive to see it, Snake.
Okay. Dwi'n gwybod beth sy'n dod, so dwi isio... No! Iawn, oce, dwi'n cael gweld yn y wan ddo.
Come on, say
Iawn, ie. Hyn yn poisonous y byd yn cofio. Neu... Dwi ddim angen. Ie, os oes gallu Russian Gold Cup yn inventory chdi. Yn helpu o beth dwi'n cofio. Cofio hwnna fel a... Iawn, beth mae hwnna chwythu fyny ddo? O, fan'na, dwi'n gweld o. Teithio i fi wneud o. Oh my god, Lewis. Ah, we... Hwnna. Hwnna. O. Dwi'n fawr i bit o cool. Wyt ti... Be dwi'n meddwl ti? Oh, come on. Oh. Okay.
Pretty tasty.
Okay.
Snake, the lab we're so...
Be dwi wastad amser. Ffordd nôl, dwi'n cael hwn, ie. Is i... Gath y camera symud o gwmpas. Ah. Pan dwi'n cael distinct feeling dwi wastad... Ffordd nôl! Dwi literally wedi wastio amser efo yna. O wel. Neu off yn stream fel Oce. Hwn yn lle da i fi safio, dwi'n meddwl. Cyn i mynd i'r lab. Mae controls just bach wahanol i beth dwi wedi cofio. Sef.
You want to save?
Yes.
Hold on a sec.
Save.
Snake, have you heard of the last war?
No.
Nope, doesn't ring a bell.
It's a Japanese movie where the world ends in a nuclear war. Tensions between East and West reach the breaking point, and before anyone can stop it, they launch the ICBMs. Humanity is wiped out by a war that no one wanted.
Yuck.
The movie depicts that destruction from the eyes of ordinary people. Their simple daily lives are torn apart by the terrible power of a war that has nothing to do with them.
Everybody's afraid of the next big war, but there's only so much that one person can do.
That's why the people who have the power to stop it have to.
Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr am hynna, paramedic. Ar y somber thing yna. Dwi'n mynd i... Dwi'n mynd i... Gadael... O, beth dwi'n cael hwn? O, ie. Ie. Episode 2. Da ni wedi cwffio The Pain, cwffio Ocelot. A... Ie, dim mynd i'r lab. O'n i'n mynd i cwffio The Fear rwan. Ond, actually, ti'n cwffio Fear o ffordd nôl, wyt. So... O beth dwi'n cofio. Wedyn ti'n mynd fynd i'r mynyddoedd. All in hand. all in hand. Dwi wedi bod yn chwarae fo very stealthy. Very stealthy. No kill run. Dwi ond y lladd ta 40 o bobl na fo. But war never changes.